Yo, been kind of driving around aimlessly, but we finally got the first order of the day. We got a Subway. This is $8 going just under 4 miles.
Hi, welcome. There you are.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This one is $7 going 2 miles. Thank you. I was literally at the light for this order when I got it. This one is Angel's Donuts, $7 going 3.5 miles.
Are you good?
Cold. You?
What can people be cold?
For Natasha?
Just this
Yeah.
guy for you.
Perfect. Thank
Stay
you.
safe.
Next order up, we've got a Burger King. This one is $7 going 3 miles.
Yeah, buddy.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. Got this right away. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. I believe it's at $10 going 6 miles, only one item. They don't have this size. That was a lovely waste of time. I asked them if they wanted to make a substitute for a different type of whiskey. They said no. Okay, did you just want a bigger size instead? You can try adding that as a substitute on your side. They said nope. So here we are about 20 minutes after the last order was finished with nothing to show for it. Next up, we've got a Muchas Gracias. This one is $9 going like 6.5 miles.
Hola.
Hello. Gracias.
Que le vaya bien.
Brother, ain't no way. One burrito, $13.64. That's a little insane, don't you think? Got the next order right away. This one's a Starbucks. $5 going 2 miles.
There's only one drink, so be careful of the side, okay?
Yeah, this order was not worth it by any means. I mean, it was mediocre at best when I accepted it, but then there were 2 different detours I had to take, so yeah, this one took way too long. Gonna go ahead and give this another shot. We've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one is $12 going 6 miles, only one item.
I have a 750. 1.75.
Got the next order right away. This is McDonald's, $9 going 2 miles. I think I said McDonald's earlier, but this is a Starbucks. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is another Starbucks. This one is $12 going 6 miles. And they just gave me the next order right after this. It's gonna be another shop and deliver for alcohol. $10 going 1 mile, 2 items. I just barely got back to my spot, and we got an order for Chick-fil-A. This one's $9 going 5.5 miles. I've got a sneaking suspicion this is not going to be ready for me. Thank you.
Awesome, my pleasure. Have a good one.
You too. I was just about to call it, but they gave me an order that was too good to pass up. We got a McDonald's. This one's $8 going 1.5 miles.
Sí.
That was mine.
Never told anybody I was here. I was telling you.
All right, now we're gonna call it. Current time is 10:41. Current total, we are at 100. And we're waiting on just that last Uber tip. So that should bring it up to 105. Pretty good day, all things considered. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.